Nowadays, Thai dress are embroidered with modern patterns and come in many colors. Brides wear traditional Thai wedding ceremonies. And the one shown in the video is known as Thai Chakri dress. Thai Chakri dress is a Thai dress consisting of an inner shirt without sleeves. No neck, wrapped with sudadiy, tied with Thai belt. The upper part is a sudadiy, sew it to the fabric. Or have a sudadiy blanket. Wear it as a single piece. Open one shoulder, cover the shoulder blades. Leave the back length. Appropriately, beauty depends on the fabric, sewing, and the shape of the person who wears it. The jewelry used includes necklace, armlets, bracelet, commonly worn at wedding or cup events, informal events,